You're watching H₂HUBB, the #1 spot for hydrogen product reviews. Today we cover the Nord Inhale 2.0, an H₂ inhalation device that delivers therapeutic levels of hydrogen safely and consistently for home or wellness use. My name is Tywon Hubbard, the owner of H₂HUBB, and this is the Nord Inhale 2.0 hydrogen inhalation system from Nord Hydrogen. The Nord Inhale 2.0 is a pure hydrogen inhalation system and one of the top performing hydrogen home grade H₂ inhalation devices on the market today. It's competitively priced, compact, and delivers clinically relevant doses of molecular hydrogen, all at an accessible price point. The unit is an excellent choice for those in the EU seeking a consistent, therapeutic, and safe hydrogen inhalation device for daily home or wellness use. Here's the breakdown of what we'll cover in this review. What is it for and who is it for? Details such as the company who sells it, key features and comparisons, tips and tricks of using the product, the user experience, safety, and maintenance, our seal of approval and test results, my own personal opinion, and 3 reasons why you should consider this product. Let's go. What is it for? The Nord Inhale 2.0 was designed to make pure hydrogen inhalation therapy practical and accessible for everyday wellness. Engineered with a quad-cell PEM SPE electrolytic system, it delivers a steady and verified flow of high-purity H₂ gas, helping your body manage oxidative stress, support recovery, and promote overall health. Unlike bulky professional or clinical grade systems, the Nord Inhale 2.0 has a small footprint and provides therapeutic levels of hydrogen gas, confirmed by H₂HUBB testing at greater than 600 milliliters per minute in a compact, quiet, and user-friendly design. With features like pulse mode, it can double the hydrogen delivery during each breath. It's built for those who want consistent, safe, and effective hydrogen inhalation experience. Who is it for? The Nord Inhale 2.0 is ideal for anyone seeking reliable daily hydrogen therapy without the complexity of a large device. It is a great fit for wellness enthusiasts, individuals managing oxidative stress, inflammation, or recovery, and advanced home users who want a safe, consistent therapeutic grade hydrogen system. With verified performance and pulse mode technology, this system is designed for those who want clinical level hydrogen delivery in a compact, easy to use device built for everyday use. Let's start with the essentials. Who offers the Nord Inhale 2.0? What is it designed for? And how does it stack up against the competition? The Inhale 2.0 is sold by Nord Hydrogen, a Swedish-Norwegian company dedicated to advancing health technologies. Their mission is to create effective, safe, and easy-to-use products that help people optimize their health through molecular hydrogen therapy. H₂HUBB has been a part of Nord Hydrogen's journey from the very beginning, and we've continually been impressed by their commitment not only to producing high-quality products for consumers, but also validating those products through third-party testing and authorities like H₂HUBB. We look forward to continuing our collaboration and supporting Nord Hydrogen as they hold the standard for hydrogen wellness technologies. To check the current price, head over to our website. H₂HUBB shoppers often enjoy exclusive savings and promotional offers, and it's the only trusted third-party platform where you can buy hydrogen products backed by verified testing and real performance data. Now let's dive into the key features of this device. High purity. The device only requires distilled water and comes with advanced PEM SPE electrolysis, producing greater than 99.99% pure molecular hydrogen. Therapeutic H₂ gas output delivers equal to or greater than 600 milliliters per minute of hydrogen gas plus 300 milliliters per minute of oxygen for a combined 900 milliliters per minute of oxyhydrogen or Brown's gas. Wide flow rate range. Offers adjustable hydrogen flow settings of 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, and 600 milliliters per minute, allowing users to customize their H₂ delivery for comfort, safety, and personal therapeutic use. Large and simple digital display. Features a bright, easy-to-read touchscreen with a clean and intuitive user interface, making operations straightforward for users of all experience levels. Compact design delivers high-quality performance in a space-saving portable build, making it easy to integrate into homes, offices, or wellness centers without sacrificing power or reliability. Pulse mode utilizes breath-synchronized pulses of molecular hydrogen to enhance H2 delivery and absorption, effectively increasing the therapeutic dose and overall impact during each inhalation. Comprehensive safety system built with multiple protection layers including low water detection, large reservoir, internal cooling fans, gas separators, deionization filters, and heat vents. The device also maintains complete separation of hydrogen and oxygen from the cell to the outlets, ensuring safe, consistent, and reliable operation. Let's discuss what you're getting for your money. You go with the Nord Inhale 2.0, you're investing in a high-efficient hydrogen inhalation system that truly delivers. H₂HUBB testing confirmed it produced more hydrogen than the manufacturer's claim, greater than 600 milliliters per minute of 99.9% pure hydrogen, through its PM system operating at an impressive 93% efficiency. What sets this unit apart is its build quality and pulse mode, which allows the user to receive hydrogen concentrations comparable to a large clinical grade machine while still being able to administer modest, steady levels for everyday use. This flexibility makes it suitable for both wellness users and more advanced hydrogen therapy applications. Its solid build quality, sleek form factor, and intuitive digital interface makes the Nord Inhale 2.0 feel right at home in any wellness space, clinic, or personal setup. It's literally a professional grade system in a compact, accessible home unit design. How does this device stack up against the competition? Compared to smaller or home design inhalation systems, the Nord Inhale 2.0 clearly stands out. With a verified output of 600 milliliters per minute of pure H2, it delivers an inhaled hydrogen concentration of roughly 3 to 4% for most adults using a nasal cannula. And when pulse mode is activated, it momentarily peaks H2 levels to concentrations seen in larger clinical studies. What makes this device exceptional is its balance, including size, therapeutic potential, and flexibility. It's compact enough for a home, yet powerful enough to deliver clinical performance. Users can also dial it back for more modest, steady hydrogen sessions, giving it a wide therapeutic range from adults to pediatric use that few home systems can match. Add its modern design, solid construction, and quiet operation, the Nord Inhale 2.0 becomes one of the most versatile and advanced home hydrogen inhalation system on the market today. Now let's go over a couple tips and tricks for the system. Pulse mode tip. When using pulse mode, take slow, deep breaths to allow the device to synchronize accurately with your breathing pattern. This ensures optimal timing and maximum hydrogen delivery. Hydrogen water functionality. The Nord Inhale 2.0 comes with a diffusion stone for making hydrogen water. While all hydrogen inhalation devices can technically generate H2 water, this device enhances efficiency with its dedicated diffusion stone attachment. Simply connect the tubing to the H2 port, place the stone in the glass of water, and let it bubble for 5 to 10 minutes on the 900 milliliters per minute setting. This process typically dissolves around 1.3 to 1.5 milligrams per liter or ppm of hydrogen gas into the water, providing a quick and convenient way to enjoy H2-enriched water. Sleep mode. For nighttime session, activate the sleep mode to dim the display and reduce ambient light. This simple feature makes it easier to relax and even fall asleep during your hydrogen inhalation therapy. Back pressure in the system. Make sure you have all the ports open when breathing molecular hydrogen to prevent back pressure and water exiting with the gas production. The Nord Inhale 2.0 is super easy to use. Let's walk through it. On the back, you'll find the AC power cord input and 2 large cooling fans. On the sides, you'll find the drain ports and the display window for the H2 and O2 gas production. On the front, you'll find a clear digital display with controls for power, flow rate adjustable from 150 to 900 milliliters per minute, a timer that can be set up to 6 hours, a voice control button that can toggle audio prompts on and off, and a sleep mode for dimming the display during nighttime use. On the top, you'll find a reservoir that holds 1 liter of distilled water, a reservoir lid that has a deionizing resin filter attached to it, and the H2, O2, and pulse mode ports. Operating a H2 inhalation session is super simple. To begin, plug in the device power cord. Fill the device 1 liter reservoir with distilled water. Connect your nasal cannula in either of these 2 configurations, using O2 only when appropriate. You can contact H₂HUBB for more information on that. Select either regular continuous flow mode or pulse mode. Select your desired flow rate and session time frame. Let's start and begin breathing hydrogen gas. Maintenance is important. Let's talk about it. Maintenance is minimal. Just refill the distilled water as needed, use the drain ports for emptying, and replace the internal deionization resin filter every 6 months. With proper care, it may last longer. Let's go over some of the safety mechanisms of the system. The Nord Inhale 2.0 is engineered with more than 6 layers of safety protection. Low water protection to prevent overheating. Appropriately sized distilled water reservoir for thermal stability. Internal fans for cooling and hydrogen dispersion in case of a leak. Internal distilled water humidifiers for gas purity. Gas separators to ensure clean hydrogen. Deionization resin filter for improved purity. Heat vents for safe operation. As with all pure hydrogen inhalation systems, the only area of combustion risk is at the nasal cannula tip. Avoid open flames, sparks near the user. Next, let's go over our seal of approval. All hydrogen products submitted to H₂HUBB must meet our internal hydrogen performance standards. The Nord Inhale 2.0 not only met them, but surpassed them. H₂HUBB functions as a global resource for consumers trying to find qualified hydrogen products, and this extends also into the EU. You can learn more about H₂HUBB's EU-approved hydrogen products through our website. We verified hydrogen output using an AliCat mass flow meter under SATP conditions. Across multiple tests, the device consistently produced an average of 661 milliliters per minute of hydrogen gas, slightly exceeding the manufacturer's claim of 600 milliliters per minute. That output corresponds to approximately 3 to 4% inhaled H2 concentration through a nasal cannula, depending on the person's resting ventilation. A research-backed therapeutic dose supported by human clinical research. We also verified pulse mode function, demonstrating it enhanced per breath hydrogen delivery to 44 to 60.5 milliliters per second in 70 to 80% of breaths, effectively doubling the inhaled H2 concentration, allowing users to breathe H2 dosages at higher clinical levels, but from a smaller, more inexpensive device. Considering these measurements, it's 93% cell efficiency, plus high purity hydrogen, and multiple built-in safety mechanisms, the Nord Inhale 2.0 fully meets H₂HUBB's requirements. That's why it has officially earned the H₂HUBB seal of approval and our full recommendation status. Now let's go ahead and discuss my personal opinion of this product. There are a couple points I want to cover, and I'll try to keep it brief. First things first is that hands down, this device is one of the top budget-friendly hydrogen inhalation systems that are on the market. It covers all the boxes, high in quality, great engineering, high flow rate that is going to pretty much equate to therapeutic levels that are administered in scientific studies. Advanced features like the pulse feature that is with this device. It's simplistic in its functionality, so it covers all the boxes, and its price point is not that high. So that is one thing that I want to definitely say on basically the first thing I want to say when it comes to the product. The next point I want to cover is that this system in particular is one of the devices that are on the market that is actually integrating a new type of technology, which is called pulse mode. And this pretty much in a nutshell supplies or condenses the hydrogen production that is being produced in this system to only be released when a person is inhaling or breathing. And so this is a really cool feature because it allows for a transient increase in the inhaled H2 concentration from the device, allowing you to get pretty much the same type of hydrogen concentrations from a higher grade performance or clinical grade system that has a high flow rate versus a smaller system. You can get it in this kind of smaller form factor hydrogen inhalation device that is also relatively inexpensive compared to others. So that's really cool. And it allows you to be able to pretty much match some of these higher dosage that we kind of see in studies. The next thing would be that it has a high or has a large flow rate range. So it pretty much can administer or produce, I should say, 100 milliliters per minute all the way up to about 600 milliliters per minute, a little bit more of pure molecular hydrogen. And so this pretty much makes the device suitable for kids all the way up to adults. And that's really rare to see that when it comes to a hydrogen inhalation system. They typically don't have this type of range. And so I really like that about the product. And then the last thing I would say about this system is that it's compact and small. And so it makes it easy and portable to move around. And that's also something you can't say about every device on the market. And so every device has its pros and cons. And these will be the pros that I actually like about this system. I hope you guys enjoyed my opinion of it. Final thoughts and conclusion. In the end, the Nord Inhale 2.0 establishes itself as one of the most well-balanced hydrogen inhalation systems in its class. It delivers clinical level hydrogen output in a compact, elegant, and reliable design, producing a verified 661 milliliter per minute of 99.9% pure H2, modestly exceeding the manufacturer's own claims. Its pulse mode feature sets it apart, allowing users to experience momentary hydrogen concentrations comparable to large clinical units, while also offering lower steady flow options suitable for daily or even pediatric use. Combined with its PEM system, layered safety, user-friendly digital interface, the Nord Inhale 2.0 merges performance, safety, and versatility in ways few home units can. Backed by independent H₂HUBB verification, consistent test results, and thoughtful engineering, the Nord Inhale 2.0 stands out as a top-tier choice for anyone seeking a safe, effective, and high-performing hydrogen inhalation device for their home or wellness use. 3 reasons why you should consider this product. Number 1, verified high-level performance. Backed by H₂HUBB testing, it delivers 661 milliliters per minute of pure hydrogen, delivering 3 to 4% inhaled H2 concentration, with its pulse mode momentarily doubling the H2 concentration. Number 2, clinical capability in a home system. Pulse mode allows the user to experience hydrogen delivery similar to larger high flow rate units, still offering lower, steady flow rates suitable for everyday wellness and even for pediatric use. Number 3, compact, safe, and user-friendly. Featuring a space-efficient design, multi-layer safety system, and intuitive digital display, the Nord Inhale 2.0 delivers advanced performance in a system that fits naturally in a home, wellness office, or clinic. Question: have you ever tried hydrogen inhalation before? If so, what were the results you noticed? If you enjoy this content and like what our company is doing, be sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any updated videos that we put out. We really enjoy bringing this content to you so you guys can find therapeutic hydrogen products like this one that is approved from H₂HUBB in the EU. And so if you like this video, please share it with others and catch us next time at the H₂HUBB.